Good morning students and welcome to the E-class of St.Xaviers High School. As we are continuing with the pronouns, previously we have studied about possessive pronouns, personal pronouns. So, we have already studied about personal pronouns and possessive pronouns that show possession and ownership. Now, today we are going to study about the topic demonstrative pronoun. Starting with it, let's see one image and let's get a clear idea about demonstrative pronouns. You can see a child is pointing out at these apples. These, those, that and this. Why are these words used? All of these words, those, that, this, these. You can see when you are pointing out things far from the place, then you use those for many. And if it's far and it's singular in number, so we use that. And if the plurals are there, the plural things are there, means the things are many and it's near to you, we use these. And if it's near to you and only one in number, we use this. I hope you are clear with the image. Now let's start about demonstrative pronouns. So students, you can see this is a ball near to you. These are bats, as they are many and even near to you, you use these. That is a toy you are pointing out and that is far from your place. Those are the toys, means they are many but they are far. So when you are pointing out far from your place, we use those. The words this, these, that and those are used here to point out one or more things. This refers to ball, this refers to bat, that refers to a toy and those refers to toys. So they are called demonstrative pronoun. They point at or demonstrate the items to which they refer. Now students, this is an image, will make you clear. You can see one table, singular. So if it is here, then you will use this, and if it's plural, we will use these. And if it is there, we will use that, means it's far from your place. And if it's there, again means it's far from your place, you will use those. You can see that I made this book, means close. These books means there are many and even close to you, so you will use these. That book means far. Those books. I hope you are clear with the image. This, that, these and those. You have to just understand far and near. If it's near to you, then you use this and these. If it's far, then you use that and those. I hope you are clear with this. Now students, the textual portion, underline the pronouns in the following sentence and write what type they are. Means you have to underline it and specify what are the types. This is Rahul's book, please give it to him. So this means demonstrative, means you are showing or pointing out. It is personal pronoun and him is also a personal pronoun. That is a blue kite. It is flying so high. So that is demonstrative and it is personal. These are Sanjay's pencil. They are not mine. Again, mine, you know, they show the possession. So they are possessive pronoun. They means you are showing whose it is, personal, spoken about. These is a demonstrative pronoun. Those are Sugandha's doll. They are kept on the topmost shelf. So those is demonstrative and they are personal. I am going to Kanaya's house. You should go to yours. I is personal. You is also personal and yours is possessive. That is showing the possession. I hope students you are clear with the demonstrative, personal as well as possessive pronouns. Now students, this is I and me, an activity, or you can say to keep in mind about this I and me, where they are used. Let's see it. I and me are personal pronouns of first person, as we have seen, that is speaker. They refer to speaker. They are placed later in the sentence. If we are talking about another person and ourselves, for suppose Romit and I play tennis. Do you want to play with Romit and me? So another and me, both. So if we are talking about the other person as well as myself, so we use I and me. To know if you have used I and me correctly, leave the other person's name out and read the sentence. Romit and I play tennis. So I play tennis, it's right. Romit and me play tennis. So me play tennis, no, it's wrong. Do you want to play with Romit and me? So do you want to play with me? Yes, it's right. Do you want to play with Romit and I? It's wrong. Do you want to play with I? It's also wrong. So I hope you understand when do you use I and me. So these are the clear examples. Now students, the last activity of your chapter, that is you have to rewrite the sentence correctly. The teacher gave the books to me and Harjinder. Is it right? No. The teacher gave the books to Harjinder and me. Read it properly. Just remove the name. The teacher gave the books to me. If you remove the name, so means it's right. Sonia, I and Jagan are going to school. So you will use the names first and then I. Sonia, Jagan and I are going to school. This is correct. My father bought ice creams for me and my sister. My father bought ice creams for my sister and me. You will add me at the end. Do you want to share your chocolates with me and Vivek? Again, me will be added at end. Do you want to share your chocolates with Vivek and me? I hope you are clear with this sentence. I and Sandeep like to play computer games. How we will use it? First the person's name and then I. Sandeep and I like to play computer games. So students, I hope you are clear. With this we end with the chapter. So read the chapter correctly about personal pronouns, possessive pronouns and demonstrative pronoun. So read it, complete it and complete the sentences also and even the exercise portion. Thank you and have a nice day.